Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to analyze weekly gold forecast for your next week gold trading. So last week my Telegram group made massive profit gold trading, gold buy. So that is link is below. You can join with my Telegram link and Telegram channel and get the VIP access and make good profit from the gold trading. So let's see what is the going on next week. So I am in weekly chart goal. You can see that this weekly candle last week is strong bullish candle. So that's the buyers are in under control in this gold price. That you can see the gold price move to the upside. That is the strong buyers are in control. That's the start price last week 2164 and the in price is about 2233 is the in price. So you can see the what is the huge increase price gold price $70 price increase in last week. So the buyers are in control. If you buy gold last week, you made huge profit last week. So that is the technically picture I can see with the weekly chart gold. Let's move to the what is the important economic events next week. So I am going to the Forex Factory website. So Forex Factory website next week is the labor data is the more important in US dollar. Next week Friday is the non-farm payroll will be released and the unemployment rate and the average hourly earnings. The labor market figures are in next week. So unemployment rate is the 3.9. So Fed American Central Bank expect 3.9 also. So if we positive labor data, that will be demand next week dollar, and I am expecting gold some retracement to the downsides. Let's see the Powell's speech last Friday. Powell's speech, PC inflation in line with expectation, no hurry to cut rates. That's the FX Street website mentioned. So Powell's speech was there last Friday. The rate cut is no hurry. That's the hawkish comments from Powell's side, Federal Reserve side, and this comment will be effect to dollar demand. So let's see the Fed Watch Tool website. May FOMC meeting 95 forecast to interest rate pause, and the Powell's also speech no hurry to rate cut. So that's the June FOMC meeting. You can see the 30 about 30% pause to forecast to rate hike, rate pause, and about 60% forecast to rate cut in June FOMC meetings. That's the hawkish comment from the Fed sides. I am thinking next week dollar demand and gold trumps retracement to the downside. So let's go to the technical analysis. What is going on? I am going to the 4 hour chart for your clear picture, so your convenience picture. So this is the 4 hour chart. So I am seeing this type of pattern is there. So you can see that this line price has reached 3 times in these lines. You can see that pattern. So this is the first time and the second time, and the last week was reached last time. This is the trend line. This is the resistance level is strong. That's the private price reacted several times in this zone. So you should remember that technically the important levels, important zones if you are getting technically analysis. So I am thinking price reject to 2230 level, so some retracement to level, and the next support level is the 2210. That is, you can see the left side resistance, that's the middle level. This is the pattern is the that is the cup pattern, like a cup and handle pattern will be create. I am thinking with the technically I am seeing this type of pattern. So I am thinking left side resistance. This is the pattern also. This is the channel pattern is price ranging. So I am thinking this resistance become supports in the right side next week. This is the support, recent support level 2210 level. I'm hoping price will be next week support this level, retracement to this level, and get the support from this level. That is my next week forecast. If the price break the above trend line resistance level, that is strong bullish continuation goal. So two options. So my options is the and 2210 support level, and that is your buy option. And next week you have a sell option. I am thinking with the dollar demand labor data, you should touch with the labor data. That's the labor data demand as the gold drop. If the week labor data, that will have to gold demand again break this resistance level. So that is my telegram link is below. You can join with accurate gold signals analysis. So if you are trading gold, so you should touch with the USD economic data as well, and the risk management is the key. Gold is the more volatile pair. So get the trade, and thank you very much.